Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is June 14th, 2024, and we have an exciting lineup of stories to cover. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Helio Pay has launched a significant update to Solana Pay on Shopify. This update is set to revolutionize crypto commerce for millions of merchants by enhancing payment experiences and introducing new blockchain-powered features. Merchants can now accept hundreds of tokens, receive stablecoin payouts in various currencies, and enjoy sub-1 second transactions. Additionally, there are perks like discounts for NFT holders and airdrops. Solana Pay offers low fees, instant payouts, zero chargebacks, and global accessibility, making it a game-changer for Shopify merchants. Brands like Helium Mobile and FSL Web3 are integrating Solana Pay to enable payments in their ecosystem tokens, expanding utility for their customers. This update is a collaborative effort involving teams like Jupiter Exchange, Back and Underdog, Web3 Auth, QuickNode, Helios Labs, Transact, and Bridge Labs, focusing on cross-chain payments and more. Future plans include even more cross-chain payment features. Merchants are encouraged to start using Solana Pay on Shopify to boost their sales. For more details, visit Helio Pay's blog. In other news, the Graph has completed its transition to a fully decentralized data layer through the Graph Foundation's Sunrise initiative. This transition upgrades subgraphs from centralized hosting providers to a globally distributed network of token-incentivized data indexers. Each indexer selects which applications to sync and serve queries for, receiving payment in native GRT tokens. The network now supports over 55 chains and more than 6,000 live subgraphs, with a significant increase in queries and data service fees year over year. Developers can publish subgraphs to the Graph network, where they are indexed by a globally distributed network of nodes, ensuring redundancy and scalability. Indexers are incentivized through query fees and indexing rewards, requiring them to self-stake at least 100,000 GRT tokens and meet specific hardware requirements. This transition allows decentralized applications to offload their data needs to the Graph network, providing reliable and decentralized access to blockchain data. This move towards decentralization is a significant step forward for the Web3 space, reducing reliance on centralized services for key functions. A recent research report conducted for Coinbase by The Block reveals a 39% year-over-year increase in cryptocurrency, blockchain, or Web3 initiatives announced by Fortune 100 companies, reaching a record high in Q1 2024. A survey of Fortune 500 executives shows that 56% of companies are working on on-chain projects, including consumer-facing payments applications. This increased activity underscores the need for clear crypto regulations to retain talent in the US, enhance access to crypto, and establish US leadership in the global crypto market. Key developments include the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs and the scaling of access to spot crypto through products like spot Ether ETFs. On-chain government securities are also gaining interest, with the value of tokenized US Treasury products surpassing $1 billion. Companies like PayPal and Stripe are making stablecoins more accessible for users, with the annual settlement volume of stablecoins exceeding $10 trillion in 2023. Moreover, small businesses are increasingly exploring crypto to address financial pain points, with 68% believing crypto can help alleviate challenges like transaction fees and processing times. It is crucial for the US to retain crypto developers and ensure better access to financial services for both companies and underserved populations. Fortune 500 executives express interest in partnering with US entities and emphasize the importance of a USD-backed digital currency for global competitiveness. The report emphasizes the importance of cultivating talent, fulfilling the promise of better access, and asserting US leadership in the crypto space. The future of money is seen to be in crypto, with ongoing efforts to educate the public about the role of crypto, blockchain, and Web3 technologies in updating the global financial system. Next, we have the introduction of Zapper Protocol, powered by Zap. This open protocol aims to incentivize the interpretation and contextualization of on-chain information, making Ethereum more readable and revealing its true nature as a social network. Initially starting as a DeFi portfolio aggregator, Zapper Protocol has evolved to address the challenge of surfacing information from the increasing number of apps and emerging sectors like NFTs and on-chain social. The protocol introduces indexing templates, including position interpreters and event interpreters, to make blockchains more understandable without requiring coding knowledge. Zap will be launched in Q4 to incentivize interpreting on-chain information and support the Zapper ecosystem. Future plans include unveiling more details about leveraging human-readable data through an open GraphQL API and adding social features to the dashboard. The community is encouraged to contribute to shaping the future of Zapper and the protocol. Lastly, let's discuss the concept of forced transactions versus based sequencing in rollup chains. Currently, only two universal rollup stacks, OP Stack and Orbit Stack, implement a forced transaction mechanism to bypass centralized sequences. In the OP Stack, users can force L1, L2 messages by calling the deposit transaction function, while in the Orbit Stack, messages are sent to the delayed inbox before being moved to the inbox for inclusion in the chain. Centralized sequencer failures can lead to issues like delayed transaction processing and empty blocks in the chain. A recent incident saw the base sequencer halt batch posting for an hour, affecting transaction processing. The cost of forcing transactions via L1 is compared to L2 sequence transactions, showing a significant difference in gas fees. On the other hand, based sequencing eliminates the need for a centralized sequencer, inheriting properties like liveness and censorship resistance from L1. However, based sequencing faces challenges in providing pre-confirmations faster than L1 inclusion confirmations. The article also mentions the degen incident on the Orbit chain, where a forced transaction from the delayed inbox to the main inbox caused invalidations of pre-confirmed transactions. The chain had to be upgraded to prevent further invalidations. Overall, the discussion revolves around the trade-offs and implications of forced transactions and based sequencing in rollup chains. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and updates from the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Stay informed and stay ahead.